Hello students, let us continue this session on understanding quadrilaterals and practical geometry from NCERT exemplar. We shall take up questions from 148 onwards. Here is a rhombus given BEAM and one of the angle is mentioned, which is 70 degree. That is angle BEAM is given as 70 degrees. They have asked us to find angle AME and angle AEM. We all know that in a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. So it means that the diagonal AB is perpendicular to the diagonal EM in rhombus. So we can make use of angle sum property, that is in triangle AOM we have angle AOM plus angle OAM plus angle OMA is equal to 180 degrees. Angle AOM is 90 degrees plus angle OAM is 70 degrees plus angle OMA is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle OMA is 180 degree minus 160 degrees, which will be 20 degrees. So we have found this angle. This angle is same as angle AME. Therefore, angle AME is 20 degrees. Now, how do we find angle AEM? We all know that the adjacent sides in a rhombus are equal. EA will be equal to AM. This implies that angle AME will be equal to angle AEM. So it is 20 degree. The reason is equal sides make equal angles. Question number 149. In parallelogram FIST, find angle SFT, angle OST, angle STO. They have given certain angles here. Angle FIO is 35 degree, angle SIO is 25 degree, angle FOT is 110 degrees. This is what is given. That means angle FIS is known. It is 35 plus 25, which will be 60 degrees. Since the opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram, I can say that angle FIS is equal to the angle FTS. This will be equal to 60 degrees since opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Now just observe carefully, these sides are parallel. The opposite sides in a parallelogram are parallel, and we have got diagonals which will act as a transversal. So the angle which is there here as 25 degree, that will be same as angle FTI. RFTO. Therefore, I can write angle SIO is same as angle FTO. This will be equal to 25 degree because they are alternate angles. Now if I consider angle STO, this will be equal to 35 degrees. Angle STO will be equal to angle OIF. The reason is alternate angles. Observe angle FOT plus the angle SOT. They form 180 degrees because they are the linear pairs. Therefore, angle SOT is 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, which is 70 degrees. Observe the triangle TOS. In this particular triangle, the sum of angle TSO plus the angle OTS plus the angle TOS is 180 degree angle sum property. Therefore, angle OST will be equal to 180 degree minus 70 plus 35 degrees. We get it as 75 degree. Similarly, in the triangle FOT, we have angle FOT plus angle FTO plus angle OFT will be equal to 180 degree angle sum property. So angle SFT will be same as the angle OFT, that will be equal to 180 minus the sum of 110 plus 25. We get it as 45 degrees. Therefore, we have found angle SFT, which is 45 degrees. Angle OST is 75 degrees. Angle STO is 35 degrees. Question number 150. In the given parallelogram YOUR, angle RUO is 120 degree. OY is extended to point S such that angle SRY is 50 degree. Angle YSR to be found. They have given that angle RUO is 120 degree and also angle SRY, which is 50 degree. This is what is given to us. Since the opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram, angle RYO will be same as angle RUO. This will be equal to 120 degree because opposite angles in a parallelogram. Now observe angle SYR will be linear pair with angle RYO. So we can find it like this using linear pair property. So angle SYR will be equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, which is 60 degrees. Now In triangle SYR, we have angle SRY plus angle RYS plus angle YSR will be equal to 180 degrees. This will be 50 added to 60 plus angle YSR equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle YSR is 180 degrees minus 110. This will be 70 degrees. Hence, we have found angle YSR. Question 151. In kite WEAR, angle WEA is 70 degree, angle ARW is 80 degree. Find the remaining two angles. Angle WEA is given as 70 degrees. Here we can find the two pair of angles in an easier way. For that, observe the triangle AEW. In this triangle, we have AE equal to EW. This implies angle EWA will be equal to angle EAW. Reason: equal sides make equal angles. Now we can make use of angle sum property. If I take this as something as x, so x plus 70 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. So 2x will be equal to 110 degrees. X will be equal to 55 degrees. Similarly, I can state these angles as equal. I'll name this as, say, y. Angle AWR will be equal to angle WAR. This I am taking as y. So y plus 80 degrees is 180 degrees. So 2y is 100. Y will be equal to 50 degrees. Now angle RWE will be equal to x plus y. This will be 50 added to 55, 105 degrees. This will be same as angle RAE. This is how we can find it in an easier way. A rectangular MORE is shown below. This is rectangle MORE. Answer the following questions by giving appropriate reason. First one is RE equal to OM? RE and OM, they will be equal because the opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Yes, RE will be equal to OM. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Second one is angle MOY equal to angle REX. MOY and angle REX, they will be equal because they are the alternate angles. sorry, I'm telling third one. So third one, I'll finish it first. They are the alternate angles. Angle MOE will be equal to angle OER. They are alternate interior angles. This implies MOE is a part, sorry, MOY is a part in MOE. So MOY will be equal to angle REX. Now let me take up the second one. Is MYO equal to RXE? MYO, RXE, they both are equal to 90 degrees. So yes, angle MYO will be equal to angle RXE. They both measure 90 degrees. Now let me take the fourth one. Is triangle MYO congruent to the triangle RXE? For that, let me consider the triangles MYO and triangle RXE. Let's observe which parts are equal. MO and RE, they are equal because we have proved it in first one, proved in 1. Angle MOY is equal to angle REX. This is also we have proved in the third part. And we also have angle MYO equal to angle RXE. This is equal to 90 degree. Now you observe by AAS criteria, triangle MYO will become congruent to triangle RXE. This is because AAS criteria. The remaining pair also will be equal, it's same as ASA. Since the two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. So I can say the fifth one, yes, MY will be equal to RX. They are corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent CPCTC. Question number 153. In parallelogram LOST, SN is perpendicular to OL, SM is perpendicular to LT. Find angle STM, SON and angle NSM. They have given that angle MST is 40 degrees. Observe the triangle MST. In this triangle, we have the sum of angle TSM plus angle MST plus angle STM equal to 180 degrees, angle sum property. So from this we can find angle STM, which is 180 degree minus the sum of 90 plus 40 degree, because SN is given perpendicular to LT. So the angle STM will be equal to 50 degrees. Since the opposite angles are equal, I can say that this will be same as angle SON. So angle SON is found. It is 50 degrees. Now observe the triangle SON. In this triangle, angle ONS plus the angle OSN plus angle SON is 180 degree by angle sum property. So we can find angle OSN. This will be 180 degree minus the sum of 90 plus 50, which will be 40 degrees. So we have found this angle to be 40 degrees. Since it is a parallelogram, we have angle SON added to the angle TSO will be equal to 180 degree because they are adjacent angles, they are co-interior. Therefore, angle TSO will be equal to the sum of, let me first subtract, this will become 180 minus angle OSN is 50, it will be 130. Now angle TSO is nothing but angle TSM plus angle MSN plus angle OSN. This will be 130. From this we can find angle MSN as 130 degree minus the sum of 40 plus 40, which is 80 degree, we get it as 50 degrees. So angle NSM is 80 degrees, 50 degrees, and angle STM, we have found it as STM, we have found it as 50 degrees. This is 50. SON is 130 and this angle is 50. With discussion, I'll end today's session. Thank you.